Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. It's a Monday, 22nd, and yeah, we're up at 4 o'clock in the morning because we plan to do a good day's riding. So stick around and stay tuned, and let's see what we get up to.
Well, good morning everybody, hope everyone's well. It is 4:30 on Monday the 22nd of June. Here in the UK we are still on lockdown, however we are allowed to go out for the day as long as we keep the 2-metre rule. We're still not allowed to camp or stay in hotels or anything like that. But we can go out for the day. So me and the boys have been thinking, and the weather is set to be nice across the UK today. It's actually supposed to be quite a heat wave this week, but I don't particularly fancy riding in temperatures of 31 plus degrees, so we decided to come out today. I'm on my way to Sunningdale right now. We're going to go and meet up with Nick and one of his mates, and then we're going to head over and meet up with Jess. I think the plan is we're going to head up towards Norfolk. I think the idea is that we're going to go up towards Great Yarmouth and then across the east coast up there. No set time. We will just carry on as we wish. I think the idea was sunrise to sunset, but we'll see how it goes. It's roughly about 500 miles. My limit so far, or what I've done so far, is 300. Yeah, so my limit is, or what I've done so far in regards to a day's riding, is 310 miles. So to push it up by about 150 odd miles is going to be a bit of a challenge, but we're up nice and early, and we're on our way over to, like I said, to meet Nick and his mate, and hopefully it should be a good day. Weather's set good, hopefully we should have some fun. I bought myself a new toy yesterday, a nice little Mavic Mini. I needed something a little bit smaller to transport about on the bike, something that's easy just to whip out, so hopefully you'll see some nice drone shots, as long as everything goes to plan and we can actually fly it. So yeah, so I'm going to crack on over to Sunningdale, and then we'll get over to Woking to meet up with Jess, and then I'll catch up with you guys afterwards for a bit. So see you soon.